So you have an idea of how to use AI in your business, but you aren't sure where to start. How do you automate the workflow, integrate with multiple AI models, or set up custom business rules and have non-coders maintain them? If this sounds like you, then AI Rule Engine is what you're looking for. In this video, I'll show you how to get started with AI Rule Engine so that you can begin leveraging AI in your business or project quickly and easily. To begin, visit ruleengine.ai and create an account. Once you're logged in, create a project to store project artifacts like rules, actions, and environments. Then, create an environment where the rules and actions will be executed. Save the project, then click the Setup icon to set up the environment. This will generate an environment secret that we'll use later. Let's save the secret to the clipboard. Then we'll click the button below to be taken to the Azure Marketplace, where we can install the app into our Azure subscription. Click the button labeled Get It Now. This will prompt you to sign in or create a free account. In Azure, select or create which subscription, resource group, and region the application will be added to. Paste the environment secret from the Rule Engine website and specify a name for the application instance. On the next tab, you can change any of the suggested names for the resources that will be created. Finally, check the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions and click the Create button to begin creating the resources that AI Rule Engine will use to execute your workflows. This process can take several minutes to complete. Once your Azure resources are deployed, return to your project, then select your environment. This will connect the AI Rule Engine user interface to your Azure resources. You're now ready to start creating rules and actions. To watch more tutorials, follow us on YouTube or visit our blog at AIRuleEngine.com. Thanks for watching.